Welcome to today's lesson on present perfect short answers. In English, when someone asks you a question using the present perfect tense, you need to answer in a specific way. Today, we'll learn exactly how to give short answers to present perfect questions. This is an important skill for everyday conversations. Let's look at two examples of short answers in the present perfect. On the left, we have a positive answer. If someone asks, "Have you finished?" you answer, "Yes, I have." On the right, we have a negative answer. If someone asks, "Has she called?" you answer, "No, she hasn't." Notice how we use have or has in our short answers, not do or does. Now let's focus on affirmative short answers. The pattern is simple. Yes plus the subject plus have or has. For example, yes, I have, yes, you have, yes, he has, and yes, they have. Notice that we don't repeat the main verb from the question. We only use the auxiliary verb have or has. For negative short answers, the pattern is no plus the subject plus haven't or hasn't. For example, no, I haven't, no, you haven't, no, she hasn't, and no, we haven't. Haven't is the contraction of have not, and hasn't is the contraction of has not. These contractions are very common in spoken English. It's important to know which subjects use have and which use has. The subjects I, you, we, and they all use have, so we say I have, you have, we have, and they have. On the other hand, the subjects he, she, and it use has, so we say he has, she has, and it has. This rule is the same for questions and short answers. Let's practice with some complete questions and answers. First question, have they arrived yet? The answer is yes, they have. Second question, has he finished his homework? The answer is no, he hasn't. Third question, have you seen that movie? The answer is yes, I have. Notice how the subject in the answer matches the subject in the question. Let's look at some common mistakes students make. First mistake, saying yes, I do or no, I don't instead of yes, I have or no, I haven't. Remember, with present perfect questions, we use have or has in the answer, not do or does. Second mistake, saying yes, she have instead of yes, she has. Remember that third-person singular subjects use has, not have. Third mistake, saying no, they hasn't instead of no, they haven't. The subject they always uses, have, never has. Let's review the key points from today's lesson. First, use have with the subjects I, you, we, and they. Second, use has with the subjects he, she, and it. Third, for affirmative short answers, say yes plus the subject plus have or has. Fourth, for negative short answers, say no plus the subject plus haven't or hasn't. Practice these patterns regularly, and they will become natural for you. Thank you for learning with us today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.